Hi, this is Chinmayi. It is back to regular programming. It's been a while since I did this, and I have just come back from Korea, which means that there is a lot happening at our clinic, at our skincare company, Isle of Skin. And this has been going viral, and it kind of blew up whilst I was in Korea. So I thought it is a good time to talk about it. And that is this particular product called the France Sunshield Peptide Patch. This is the large size. It comes in two sizes. One is the large and one is the regular. What I did not understand is that it basically just takes care of this high point of the face. Okay, it's not going to take care of your nose, not your forehead, and not the jaw. But usually, especially for people, let's say with melasma, which actually shows up in this area, or for people who tan first with higher cheekbones, the sunlight tends to hit this portion, which is why when you wear highlighter, this area can kind of glow up. The light hits you here on the high points of your face. So the most important high point, in addition to your nose of course, is this space. So it has this kind of heart shaped patch. So I'm going to apply just one side. So what happens is that it opens up like the traditional band-aid, if you know what I mean. So this is completely clear. So I'm removing this. So we basically just remove the plastic backing on both sides. I'm just going to be aligning it with my eye and smoothing it out. So moment of truth, I'm just going to be peeling this off, and ta-da! However, this does look like there is something on my face, but it doesn't end here, apparently. So I'm so clumsy these days. So it comes with a peptide serum. So you're basically supposed to smoothen it on your over and above this. So let's try doing that to see if this smoothens out. Interesting. So this is on this side of the face, and this side does not have anything. What I'm going to try is I am going to apply this on this. I'm going to apply the serum first on this side of the face to see if it makes any difference to how the patch applies. So let's go. Okay, I think I did a much better job this side, and yeah, wow, it does. This is quite amazing. I am smiling and there are expression lines and stuff like that, and it just looks like, yeah, of course if you come really close and see, it does look like I'm wearing something and it's like a sunscreen patch. But this is, wow, Korea rocks. I'm going to be applying. So I think one of the things that I did realize is to not apply too much moisturizer. The skin needs to be kind of dry to the touch when you apply this, and you also apply the peptide serum on top. But what they also said is that you can actually apply makeup on top of this, so I'm going to try that. This, I'm just going to be, for example, I'm just going to be showing you how this peels off. Very gentle, considering it's around the eyes, it's super gentle and it doesn't feel like anything. So I think because of the amount of peptides as well, it might work like a great under eye patch as well, and it's really good for the skin, considering the amount of peptides, which is parts per million, that is present in the serum. As such, it's highly concentrated. So this is something, if you're looking for something fun to try, and or something that you'd really like to see with regard to what's the most amazing, most recent viral trend from Korea, this is it. Actually, I really think I like this side of my face, because I think I did a pretty much better job in applying this. I think if I kind of put some blush and a bronzer and stuff like that, perhaps almost 70-75% of the people may not be able to make out unless they're like really looking at what are you wearing types. So I really like how this side of the face turned out. This side I have nothing, this side I have the Sunshield. While I'm wearing this side of the patch, I definitely think when I'm doing this or this and I'm doing all of this corner stay with my face, I don't think it's really crinkling up this Sunshield too much. Of course, it's been only like a few minutes since I have worn it. And if you're somebody who's going to be also wearing pretty heavy base makeup on top of this, of course, I have a feeling this is not going to show up too much. I'm going to be giving it to Rahul to see how it shows up on his skin. I actually really like, especially after I'm smiling properly and I don't see any wrinkles showing up here, and I think I kind of really like it. I would definitely be wearing this if I'm out and about, and especially, of course, as I already said earlier in this video, if you have if you're prone to having melasma or something like that, this could be a patch that you could wear at least immediately after having some sort of a treatment with your dermatologist. It can take care of immediate high-end sun exposure, at least for the immediate few days. Thereafter, of course, religious reapplication of sunscreen is very, very important to keep melasma, chloasma, all of this at bay. In a box like this, there are 5 Sunshield patches. So you basically have a pair for both sides, so you'll get about 5 uses from one box. So this is the latest viral trend from Korea, which has been lighting up Instagram, and this is an Indian girl, Indian woman, trying this out for you guys. Let me know, and if you really want to get your hands on the France Skincare Sunshield Peptide Patch, leave me a DM and I'll tell you exactly how to get it. Anyway, until I see you in the next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye.